Hi, this is Vaibhav Sharma from VS Techtoys, and today I am talking about Realme 3 Pro, its features and where to buy this phone. So let's get started. Realme 3 Pro is a much awaited phone of 2019 and now it's launched in India. It features a Snapdragon 710 processor with 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM variants. Talking about the screen, it has a 6.3-inch water drop notch display which has a full HD plus resolution. This phone has a 16-megapixel camera which can be interpolated to 64-megapixel Ultra HD mode along with the 5-megapixel secondary camera. This phone also houses a 25-megapixel front camera which has a 4-in-1 super pixel technology. This phone houses a 4000 mAh battery with VOC 3.0 fast charging and comes bundled with the 20-watt fast charger. This VOC technology can charge up the phone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. This phone is a tough competitor to recently launched Redmi Note 7 Pro, and in some department it even beats this phone. You can buy this phone on flipkart.com or realme.com on 29th April 12 noon via flash sale. Also, there is a pop-up sale in the Pacific Mall, New Delhi at 4:30 p.m. where users can buy and experience this phone on 27th April. Talking about the offers, there is a flat 1000 rupees discount on HDFC Bank debit and credit cards. First 1000 users who will buy this phone on realme.com will get the free Realme Bud. So guys, that's all for now. Please like this video and comment down below if you want me to review this phone, and if you are new here, then click the subscribe button and press the bell icon below so that you never miss an update. Thanks and stay updated.